Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to download or install the Xbox app on your Windows 11 PC. If you are trying to download or install Xbox on your PC but it's not working, there are a few common causes and simple solutions that you can try. First, make sure your Windows 11 is fully updated. Go to Settings and go to System and check if your Windows is updated to the latest version. Because outdated system file can prevent app installation. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection may cause the app download to fail. Restart the router if needed. If the problem persists, try resetting the Microsoft Store. To reset the Microsoft Store, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard and type wsreset.exe and click on OK. This will clear the store cache and often fix installation issues. You can also check for issues with the Xbox app package itself. Open Settings and go to Apps. Go to Installed Apps and scroll down until you find Xbox. As you can see, this is the Xbox. Just click on the three dot and go to Advanced Options. Scroll down until you find the options called Reset and Repair if the app is not working right. You can always repair it and the app's data won't be affected, or you can also reset the app after following these steps. You should be able to install and use Xbox app without any problems. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial videos.